Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the screen brightness on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are struggling to see the infotainment screen on your Seat Arona, you can turn the brightness up or down in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen, then tap System. In the system settings, choose Screen, then select Brightness. You can choose between very high, high, medium, low and very low. Tap on the brightness that you would like and it will change immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.